This is the Vaporesso Xros 3 Mini, a compact device that we'll be unboxing and going through setup instructions for you today. The packaging includes the Xros 3 Mini battery and a pre-installed 0.6 ohm mesh pod, which attaches to the device through a secure magnetic connection. There is also a USB-C charging cable, a user manual and an e-liquid filling guide. To fill your kit, firstly choose your favourite e-liquid flavour. Remove all protective seals from the pod and battery. Next, take off the mouthpiece at a slanted angle to reveal the fill port. This should look like a red rubber hole. Insert your e-liquid nozzle into the fill port and fill it up to the ridge of the pod where the bottom of the mouthpiece meets the pod. As the pod is clear, you can see your juice level at all times, so you know when to refill it. Make sure you wait 5 to 10 minutes for the built-in coil to prime before using. Now that your Vaporesso Xros 3 Mini is set up, you should be ready to begin vaping. Simply attach your pod to the battery and inhale from the mouthpiece to activate your device. You can place your Xros 3 Mini on charge using the USB-C cable provided. When on charge, the LED indicator will display a red pulsing light which eventually turns to solid green and switches off moments after to indicate that your kit is fully charged. The LED indicator on the device lights up when you are vaping and shows your battery level via a series of colours. Green indicates a high battery level, blue means your device is at medium capacity, and red shows that your battery is running low. That's all you need to know to use your Vaporesso Xros 3 Mini. Sit back and relax to enjoy your smoke-free